Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the in-game time of the day within the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device and then tap on the play button from the main menu in order to start your game. Once your game begins, you will be able to access various different locations by simply swiping your screen to the left or right. Now, depending on whether you are within the nighttime or the daytime of the game, you can simply tap on the sun at the top section in order to change and advance this time. So if it is a nighttime while you are playing the game, tapping on the sun will change it into the daytime, and you can simply tap on the sun once again if you wish to go back into night. Through this, you can advance your game time to move forward various different in-game events. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the time of day within the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.